Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your Outlook data file location. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and ensure you're ready to access the settings we need. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. Look for the File tab and click on it. This is where you'll find all the important account and data management options. After the File menu opens, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. You'll see an Account Settings drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal additional options. From the expanded list, you'll notice Account Settings appears again. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new Account Settings window where you can manage various aspects of your Outlook configuration. Now, in the Account Settings window, head over to the Data Files tab at the top. This tab displays all the data files currently added to your Microsoft Outlook app, including their current locations. From here, click on the Add button. This action will open a File Explorer window, giving you access to your computer's file system. In the File Explorer window, locate where you want your new Outlook data file to be stored. Navigate through your folders until you find the location where you've placed your Outlook data file or where you want it to reside going forward. Once you've found the correct file, select it and click OK. The file will now appear in your list of data files. Here's the important part. Simply adding the file isn't enough. You need to make this new file your default Outlook data file. To do this, click on the newly added file to select it, then click the Set as Default button. By setting your new data file as the default, you're effectively changing the default file location where Outlook will store your data. This ensures that all future emails, contacts, and calendar items will be saved to this new location. Once you've set the new file as default, click OK to save and retain all the changes you've made. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Outlook data file location, giving you better control over where your important email data is stored. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.